Hello, Professor McEwen here, and the topic of this video is, are you ready to take an 8-week hybrid class? Now, this is an accelerated class. So what does that mean to you as a U.S. history student? You're going to have to cover in 8 weeks what it usually takes 16 weeks to do. So, instead of reading, let's say, one chapter in the textbook a week, which can be anywhere between 30 to 50 pages, you'll now have to read 2 or maybe even 3 chapters, which could be between 80 to 180 pages in total. Added to the readings, there are lecture videos that also accompany the chapters that you read. So let's go there. So when we go to the content section and you click on it, you're going to see that everything is in modules. There's the welcome module, but here let's look at the first module. Module 1, Growing Pains, Reconstruction, New South, and Western Expansion, 1865 to 1900. Here what you will see is that you have outlines. These are things I would encourage you to bring to the class, because these outlines cover the chapters that you're reading, as well as not only the lecture videos, but also I will cover just a portion in the face-to-face portion of the class. Obviously, it'll be very difficult to cover all of this in one class. Therefore, it's going to behoove you to have to get the rest through the lecture videos and the reading. So here you also will see the Reconstruction Lecture. These are also done on YouTube. They have closed caption, and then you see chapter 18, which would be the next chapter, and New South and New West. Now, I'm here to tell you, in the face-to-face lecture, I'm only going to cover most of the New South. I'll never be able to get into the New West because of time restraints. Added into the module is also the first discussion, and as you can see, the module exam. The first week of class, we usually cover one chapter and have the syllabus quiz. When we get to the second week of class, that is when we will finish the first module and then begin the second module. That Saturday, you'll have the first module exam. This is how it will be for the rest of the semester. You'll be given at least a week to prepare for the module exam, while at the same time you're covering new material in the next exam. Now that can be confusing, I will admit. Now, the new module exam always opens up on Sunday. So you can always take the module exam on a Sunday or a Monday and not wait until the end of the week. And this would keep you from getting confused or preparing for an exam while covering new material. Also, due each week is the weekly discussion question. This is a formal writing assignment, and since this course has been designated as a college communication skills level class, in other words, you have to prove that you can do college level writing, or you won't be able to pass the class. That means you have to maintain a 70% average on the assignments. Now, I encourage students to send me your discussion before Thursday at 4 p.m. I can critique it, get it back to you, so you can earn a higher grade before it's due on Friday. So managing your time is more important in an 8-week hybrid class than it would be in a 16-week class. Studies have shown that a student taking a 3-hour class, that is attending class in person, that outside those 3 hours, they should spend anywhere between 9 and 12 hours in order to achieve success. Basically 3 times the amount of the hours that you're taking for the class. That 9 hours would consist of reading assignments, working on the written assignments, and other things, and taking exams and preparing for exams that would be required for the class. Now that formula is based on 16 weeks. 8 weeks, you're going to have to double it. So at least 15 hours a week just for this class if you expect to succeed. This, unfortunately, sometimes could take away your attention from other classes. So the question you need to ask yourself is the following. 1, how long does it take for me to read 30 pages? So as you can see, you're going to have to read almost 50 pages plus a week, and maybe even 100. 2, how long is it going to take me to take notes and prepare in order so I can take the exam? And how long is it going to take me to prepare for the exam? And 3, how long does it usually take me to put together a written assignment that's required for the discussions? So, seeing what's expected of you, hopefully you can make a decision and answer the question, Are you prepared to take an 8-week hybrid history class? The purpose of this video is not to scare you or to alarm you, but to prepare you for what you'll have to face. Because unfortunately, I understand that many of you students that come to my history class, you don't have a great background in United States history. Now, I'm always here to help you and seek my help. Thank you for watching this video, and here's to having a very successful semester.